welcome to Gardening Tips with Nathan. Now I'm going to tell you what I accidentally learned. So if you can see here, this is called a Sambucus Nigra. And 2 months ago from now, there was a very strong wind and one of these branches on the Sambucus Nigra snapped off, and it was about this big. So we thought, let's take it in. So we took it in, and then we thought, let's try and propagate it. So we tried to propagate and see how it works. And first, before we put it in the water, you have to cut the branches and the leaves, like we've done here. You have to minimize the leaves and cut the branches, minimize it. And then once you've done that, you would put it in like a glass of water and put it in a very shady place and wait for about 2 months, because it can take a very long time for it to develop roots. And if you can see here, the white dots, that's where the roots are coming from. So we're going to be planting it just about here, and this is around where the white dots stop. So it'll develop a good root system then. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit that subscribe button. Bye.